Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Jeep Grand Cherokee cabin air filter. First, open your passenger door and the glove box. You'll want to empty its contents to give yourself more room to work. Next, carefully detach the dampener string located on the right side. Then, gently press in the tabs on both sides of the glove box to fully lower it, revealing the filter housing. Now that the glove box is down, you'll see the cabin air filter housing. It's usually a rectangular plastic cover. There are two small retaining clips on the housing cover. Unclip these to release it. Once the cover is off, carefully slide out the old filter. Pay attention to the airflow arrow on the old filter, as you'll need to match this direction with your new one. With the old filter out, grab your new cabin air filter. Before inserting it, double-check that the airflow arrow on the new filter points in the correct direction, usually towards the rear of the vehicle. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing until it's fully seated. Then, replace the housing cover, ensuring the two retaining clips snap firmly back into place for a secure fit. Almost done. Now, lift the glove box back up and reattach the dampener string to its original spot on the right side. Gently push the glove box tabs back into their proper position so it closes smoothly. Close the glove box, and you're all set. Replacing your cabin air filter regularly ensures cleaner air inside your vehicle and helps your heating and air conditioning system run more efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.